Hey guys, back up with another one. So you guys wanted to see that since you guys watched the review for both of those, and I told you here soon my 323 excavator is coming in. Well, check out what's here. Cut one side, open it. Just let you know if you want this one, it's 85924C. C stands for Core Classic. There's the box. 150 scale. Woods. 85924C. Cat, another one. Core Classics. Cat, Core Classic. 150 scale, and then item number. If you guys want to pause and read all the descriptions, you sure can. It's cool they actually got a picture with one with a thumb. Alright, let's get it out of the thingy. When you open it, it's going to be in this. So you get a catalog. Okay. So it just closes up like that. So all you do is just go kind of like this. Then the model is free out of that, but this part, the back part, just bloops right off. Bloop that off. Move all this stuff. And now, we're ready for the review. Right, so first, we're going to start off with details and decals. So, first thing, there's really small, but behind it is a cat logo. You got Cat 323FL. If you look, there's a really small, says, grade control. Then you got warning signs, huge counterweight cat. You got the little side parts. There's another grade control. A cat 323. Another warning sign. Now we're gonna look on that. There's really nothing. That's fine. It's so flat. The handrails and mirrors are all plastic. There's the exhaust, the muffler. Then there's steps going up. Then you got a orange top. What I think is pretty cool that they made it orange. There's hydraulic lines all over down in here. And they go up right to this one. Oh, fudge, it fell off. But those hydraulic lines even go into the thumb. I kind of had to break it off. You got a guard. Bruh. Then you got a big cat. Dang it. Right there too. Then you got a safety. And then not the safety. Alright. Next thing, moving on to functionality. So, as any excavator should, it will rotate 360 degrees. Absolutely no problem. And so it'll go up to right there, go out to right there. The bucket, the thumb will go into right there. The bucket will go into right there. That's as far as they go up.
Steve knew just where to place his boat and plowed through with little resistance. He's had so much experience and studied this river so long, he knows how to.
It will dig down this far. This isn't it's not great, this part, but this is how good the transport is. You can get good with it. And I may pull in my dump truck. There's a realistic look of it. Ah, just kidding. But there's the 323 loading my D350. I would recommend picking up both of these, including my front end loader. It's a good model. But yeah. Parked, you can get really good positions. Parked. Then this is how I like to keep mine though.
From a standing position in his boat, he gets a better perspective of the turbulence.
But that's all for today's video. Hope you guys come back for more. That's my review of the 323. Alright, bye. See you guys.